Xiaomi has just launched an all-new tier of Poco phone. Meet the Poco F7 Ultra. Is this the flagship you've been waiting for? I'm AI Name, and today we're diving deep into our full review of the Poco F7 Ultra. Let's see what this powerhouse is all about. Design and build Poco phones are known for their bold designs and flagship-killing specs, but the F7 Ultra takes things further. It's a full-blown flagship. The design stays true to Poco's roots, especially in this vibrant Poco Yellow colorway. You get a sleek glass back, gold accents on the camera bump, and a matte black aluminum frame. Premium? Absolutely. Plus, it's IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. No more panic over accidental spills. Display and features. The F7 Ultra sports a 6.67-inch QHD plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, just like last year's F6 Pro. But this time, it's protected by shield glass, similar to Xiaomi's 15 series. Brightness gets a boost too. 800 nits manually and a whopping 1,500 nits in auto mode under direct sunlight. Add in 12-bit color, Dolby Vision, and HDR 10+, and you've got a screen that's as stunning as it is smooth. Fingerprint demo unlocking is lightning fast thanks to the ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor. And yes, Poco keeps the beloved IR blaster, perfect for controlling your TV or AC. Performance and software under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset delivers desktop-level power, paired with a dedicated Vision Boost D7 GPU for next-level gaming. Benchmark scores, top tier, but be warned. Thermal throttling kicks in during prolonged stress tests, despite the advanced cooling system. Software-wise, it runs HyperOS 2 on Android 15, packed with AI goodies. Real-time translation, AI photo editing, like sky replacement, and Gemini AI assistant support. Xiaomi promises 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches, future-proofing done right. Battery and charging. A 5,300 mAh battery bigger than the F6 Pro delivers 13+ hours of active use. And charging? Blazing fast 120-watt wired, 0 to 60% in 15 minutes. Plus 50-watt wireless support. Just check if your market includes the charger in the box. Camera samples. Cameras. Now the cameras, a major upgrade. The triple setup ditches the useless macro cam for a 2.5x telephoto lens. That also shoots macros. Main camera. Daylight shots pop with vibrant colors, excellent dynamic range, and sharp details. Low light, impressive with minimal noise. Telephoto, crisp 2.5x zoom shots, and 5x digital zoom holds up surprisingly well. Plus, macro mode is a standout. Ultra wide. Solid daytime performance, though night shots are softer. Selfies, 32 megapixel front camera captures decent detail, but colors can feel muted. Video, 8K from the main cam, 4K from the telephoto, and stabilized 1080p for ultra-wide selfies. Footage is smooth, though low light sharpness dips slightly. So, is the Poco F7 Ultra worth it? If you're done with flagship killers and want premium specs without compromise, this is a stellar choice. It nails performance, battery life, and cameras, though not quite pro level. Alternatives? Check out the Xiaomi 14 or Galaxy S24 FE, but for the price, the F7 Ultra punches hard. What do you think? Would you pick the Poco F7 Ultra? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you next time!